Going for concept number 7. Concept number 7 is the greatest n digit number which when divided by x, y and z leaves remainder k. Hence we get the required number by using the formula required number equal to greatest n digit number minus r plus k, where r is the remainder we get when we divide the n digit largest number with the LCM of x, y, z. Now we are going to see the example. Find the greatest 4-digit number such that when divided by 16, 24 and 36 leaves remainder 4 in each case. Now first we will take the LCM of 16, 24, 36. On calculator you get it is 144. Now we will divide the greatest 4-digit number, that is 9999, by 144, that is the LCM of 3 numbers 16, 24 and 36. Now on dividing we get the remainder 63 and quotient 69, and now we will subtract 63 from 99. Now on subtracting we get it is 9936, but we have to get remainder 4 in each case, so we have to add 4 here. On adding we get the value 9940. Hence this is our correct answer. You can also check. Thank you.